What if I told you the ultimate off-roader isn't a Jeep, isn't a Land Rover, but a Mini? Yes, the tiny British icon built for tight city corners just got a jaw-dropping makeover. This is the supercharged off-road Mini Cooper S that BMW never built but someone else did. And it's wild. You're looking at a 2003 Mini Cooper S that's been completely transformed into a serious off-road machine. At first glance, it looks like a prop from a Mad Max movie, but this beast is 100% real and ready to take on the wild. The transformation starts with a Journeys off-road lift kit, giving it some much-needed clearance. Sitting on 15-inch Circuit Performance CP29 wheels wrapped in 29-inch Maxtrek Mud Trac tires, this Mini now stands tall like it's got something to prove, and it definitely does. But that's just the beginning. Up front, it's got an aftermarket steel bumper, perfect for brushing off anything from rocks to roadkill. There's an air intake snorkel climbing up the A-pillar, so yes, this Mini can breathe underwater if it needs to. And it's topped with a full roof rack, ready for your recovery gear, camping kit, or maybe just your sense of adventure. Slide down the sides and you'll see rock sliders guarding the underbody, black wheel arch flares giving it extra attitude, and auxiliary lights so bright they might just light up your soul. Honestly, this Mini looks like it escaped from a rally stage and crash-landed on an overlanding trail. Under the hood is the original beating heart, a supercharged 1.6-liter inline-four, delivering 168 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque to the front wheels through a slick 6-speed Getrag manual transmission. It may have over 140,000 miles, but don't worry, the engine and transaxle have both been rebuilt, and the ignition system's been overhauled. And let's not forget the new stainless steel exhaust system, not just for performance, but to make sure this Mini howls every time you hit the gas. From the driver's seat, you'll find black leather-trimmed John Cooper Works seats, automatic climate control, cruise control, an Alpine stereo, and a 150 mph speedo to remind you this thing isn't just for crawling, it still rips. To truly appreciate this build, you need to understand where the Mini came from. Back in the mid-1990s, when BMW owned Rover, two teams clashed over the future of the Mini. Rover wanted a budget economy car, but BMW had other plans, a hot hatch with true performance soul. BMW won that battle, and Frank Stephenson, the design legend, was put in charge. The result? A retro-modern masterpiece with a supercharged heart. There's even a legendary story that the car's famous exhaust tip was modeled after a beer compressed into a clay model, and BMW liked it so much, they kept it. The first-gen Mini Cooper S launched in 2001 and became an instant hit. By 2025, it's on the verge of becoming a classic, and builds like this remind us just how much potential this little car really had. And the best part? You can actually own this wild creation. It's currently listed on Bring a Trailer with no reserve, and at the time of filming, the bid was just $3,750. That's less than the price of most used mountain bikes, except this mountain bike has 168 horsepower and leather seats. Registered in Washington State with a clean Carfax, clean title, and imported from Canada just this year, this Mini isn't just a collector's dream, it's your next weekend warrior. The off-road Mini Cooper S might not have rolled out of BMW's factory, but maybe it should have. It's creative, capable, and just plain cool. In a world full of copy-paste SUVs, this little monster is pure personality on wheels. If you love this wild ride, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Curious Corner, where we bring you the stories of machines you never knew existed. See you in the next adventure.